Morning, guys. I'm in the bedroom. Cece's still in bed. I'm not working today, am I? So just wanted to come on and say, well, good morning. Good morning to you all on this fine day. I hope you are well. Me today, the first day after me having the micro needling, and I know maybe my face will be a bit swollen. I don't know, but we shall see. But it does feel tighter, And then we were saying I have a bit of Botox here. I don't have any around my eyes, and I have some filler in my lips. But we were saying yesterday, Claire and I, that's me beauty lady, that we don't think that me Botox on my forehead's worked. But it feels tighter today. I mean, I don't want it so it's like slapdash flat, and that's why I don't get it around my eyes, because it just change the shape of my face. I mean, I know my lips, it changes them, but that's intentional. I had it round my eyes last year and I didn't like it. I just thought when I smiled, this part of me didn't move. Now I don't want this to move because I've got a lot of frown lines from a past life, and yeah, but it feels tighter. So I'm gonna have this for 6 months. So micro needling 2 weeks first, and then 2 weeks later a facial peel, chemical peel. I'm gonna do that every 4 weeks for 6 months. So, and then after that, it is going to be, I'll get it every 3 months. So it's interesting to see. I just feel like me skin's really took a hit lately, and my pores feel very big. Um, you know, so anything I can do to make it better. I mean, I'm happy with my skin, but I'm up for a bit of self-improvement. So this is day one, and we shall see how it goes. But yeah, and it does. But when I smile, it feels tighter. Um, it's not as red as I thought it would be, which is great because I'm going out on Friday and today's Wednesday. And I, yeah, I'm pleased with it. But we'll see. We'll see what the next 6 months brings, eh? And I whitened my teeth yesterday. Again, second time. But I've just had a cup of coffee, and apparently you're supposed to drink through a straw. How can you drink hot coffee through a straw? So yes, this is day one. We shall see. Well, day two, after day one of getting it done. Yeah. Have a good day. Lots of love. Bye bye. So apparently it keeps working for 14 days. The um, serum that you put into my skin. Did it hurt? You can start off on a low setting, which is what she did with me, Claire, my girl, whose company is Beautiful Me, but she's at Debonair in Bebbington on the corner of the old vets. And so she started off on the low setting, and I said, turn it up. So on the highest one, it didn't hurt. It was just like, felt more like a pressure. It wasn't like a tattoo. If you've ever had a tattoo, it was nothing like that. It's hard to explain, but it didn't hurt. And I had it on she hired it up. When she started on the lower one, I couldn't even feel it. She said, can you feel that? I said, no. So she hired it up. And I do have a high pain threshold, so I'm told, because like when I get my lips done or when I got my eyebrows tattooed, she was like, is that not hurting? And I was like, well, no. But it's sometimes some things hurt, some things don't. If I bang my toe, it bloody hurts. But so you could start on a lower setting and have that. And it didn't, honestly, I couldn't even feel it. I couldn't feel the punctures going in. So it'll be interesting to see, won't it, how it goes and what happens. It's these, see here. So there and there. So, and I think I've got quite good skin. I'm told, she always says your skin's gorgeous, but I do feel just lately, I'm 55, that my pores have gotten bigger, and I do my skincare every day, morning and night. And I do use a mask that I've been using for up to 3 weeks now, which I'll come on and show you after. But let's see. I mean, the mask, it's going to be hard for me to tell whether that works because I'm having this treatment now on top of. But in my opinion, anything helps, you know, and I don't mind being 55. I don't, you know, I like who I am. I like my body. I've got lots of flaws, you know, for anyone that doesn't know, I had my implants removed in April. Didn't have, you know, anything put back in. So my breasts are quite droopy. This one's quite a lot smaller because I had a lot of the breast tissue removed. So I've got like stretch marks on my stomach. You know, so I think I've got a lovely body. I'm happy with my body and I'm happy with my face, but anything I can do to preserve it, because when I look in the mirror and I see lines, it's not that it makes me dislike myself. I don't like it. I just don't like it. So maybe I'll be a bit better when I'm 60, but I just think as well, it's good for you to get out and do something for yourself. Do you know what I mean? As a woman or as a man, you know, or whatever you identify as, because it's important and it's nice. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, and this will cost me £80 a month, which I think is really, really good. So in 2 weeks' time, I'll have a chemical peel as well, and I'll document that. But yeah, so that's it. But I've got no makeup on today. I've got a little bit of lip gloss. I don't really wear foundation anyway. Might do a bit in the winter, but it's important to have a factor 30 at least on your face when you're getting treatments like this to protect you from the UV rays, because your skin is very exposed. Obviously it's been punctured, hasn't it? So we shall see. So I'll probably do it once a week. Come on and just show you. I'll probably show you in 7 days what it's like before I go for my next one. Maybe a little short, but it's going to be fluid. But we shall see. So I've looked and I've seen some pictures and it looks really, really positive. So, but yeah, it makes me feel good. And anything that gives me a little dopamine hit, do you know what I mean? It's good, isn't it? And as I say, as people, we should look after ourselves and treat ourselves in whatever way, because it's nice to be kind to yourself, isn't it? So, but yeah, it does. As I say, my Botox feels as though it's working now. Now, is that the collagen that's been bum into my skin? But I can't move my forehead as much this morning. So she was going to review it next week. And I said, just leave it till I come back for my peel, because no point. But it looks like it's working. But yeah, have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.